Welcome back. We can output our content from the chatbot by copying and pasting, or we can certainly copy and paste the information from the screen. However, one of the factors that impacts that is the fact that Perplexity provides hyperlinked sources that it uses in order to generate the content. For example, if we hover over this element, this paragraph corresponds to this source. And so one of the things that Perplexity does is it provides sources for everything that it does. You can find the sources in a grouping here at the top, and you can find them directly listed here inside of your content. So at the very bottom, we can click on the ellipsis. We can then click on View Sources. Once we see the sources, we can choose to remove a source. We can click on the element next to the source. We can then click on Remove Source, and that source will then be removed. What you'll see is that Perplexity will then regenerate our content according to the source that has been removed. So you can control the final output of your document based on the sources that you have by removing those that you do not want as part of your content. And then once you have what you want, you can then click Copy. You can rewrite, or what you can even do is to edit your original query here in this area. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.